Welcome to our Java Spring tutorial. We'll introduce you to Spring, its core features, and create a simple Spring Boot app. Let's start. Spring is a robust framework for building enterprise Java apps. It offers support for DI, AOP, and transaction management. Dependency injection, DI, allows loose coupling between components, making development and testing easier. Aspect-oriented programming, AOP, separates cross-cutting concerns like logging and security from business logic. Spring MVC provides infrastructure for developing web apps with clear separation of controllers, models, and views. Spring Boot simplifies creating production-ready Spring apps with minimal setup, offering embedded servers and configuration. Visit start.spring.io. Select Maven, Java, and the latest Spring Boot version. Name your project demo application. Add Spring Web dependency. Click Generate to download the project. Unzip and open it in your IDE. In demoapplication.java, you have the entry point of your Spring Boot app with that Spring Boot application. Create a new class Hello controller with a REST endpoint that returns Hello, Spring Boot. Run demo application as a Java app. It starts on the embedded Tomcat server on port 8080. In your browser, go to http://localhost 8080/hello. You should see Hello, Spring Boot. You've created a Spring Boot app. Explore more Spring features for powerful, scalable apps. For lecture notes, https://tangaluzone.com/education.